Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to highlight text on any web page in Google Chrome using a simple extension. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to various browser settings and features that will help us get the highlighter tool set up. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will expand a submenu with additional extension-related options. In this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Type in highlighter and press enter to search for highlighting extensions. You'll see several options appear, but for this tutorial, click on the one called Super Simple Highlighter. This particular extension is user-friendly and offers customizable highlighting options that work seamlessly across different websites. On the Super Simple Highlighter page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After the installation completes, look at the top right corner of your browser where you'll see a puzzle piece icon representing your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. Now click on Manage Extensions to access the settings page where you can configure how your extensions work. On the Extensions Management page, look at the left sidebar and click on Keyboard Shortcuts. This section allows you to create custom keyboard commands for quick access to extension features, making your workflow much faster and more efficient. Scroll down until you find Super Simple Highlighter in the list of extensions. You'll see different highlight options listed, such as Highlight 1, Highlight 2, and so on. For example, next to Highlight 1, click the small pencil icon to set up a custom shortcut. A field will appear where you can record your preferred key combination. Press Alt-1 on your keyboard to assign this shortcut. This means whenever you press Alt-1, it will apply your first highlight color to any selected text. Now that your shortcut is configured, navigate to any website where you want to highlight text. For this example, let's use Wikipedia. Once you're on the site, click the extensions icon again at the top right. Find Super Simple Highlighter in the list and click the pin icon next to it. This keeps the extension easily accessible in your toolbar. After pinning it, click on the Super Simple Highlighter icon and then click Allow to grant the extension permission to work on this web page. Now you're ready to start highlighting. Simply click and drag your mouse over any text, sentence, or phrase you want to highlight. Once you've selected the text, press Alt-1 on your keyboard, and the text will instantly be highlighted in your chosen color. The highlight will remain on the page even if you refresh it, making it perfect for research or studying. And that's it! You now know how to highlight text on any web page in Chrome using Super Simple Highlighter with custom keyboard shortcuts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.